how to see how many print hours you have on your Bambu Lab P2S. Now, if you like me, you've spent ages within the cog section here and then going into the settings and looking through all the different settings, and you simply can't find anything about print hours. What you need to do is go to that cog, then go to settings, and then you want device and serial number. And here at the top in the device info, you'll see printer use time, the second on the list. You can see this is a pretty new printer and has only been printing for 44 hours. However, that's where the print hours on your Bambu P2S are hiding. Let us know in the comments below how many hours you've used your P2S. I'm sure it'll be interesting to see a wide range of different hours. However, hopefully this helps you out. Find your print hours on your Bambu P2S, and if it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.